generate income. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Identify a niche or product. Determine a niche or product you are passionate about or have expertise in. Conduct market research to ensure there is a demand for that product or niche. 2. Create an online presence. Establish your online presence by creating a website or blog that showcases your chosen niche or product. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. 3. Build an email list. Implement email marketing strategies by offering valuable content or incentives in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Build an engaged subscriber list, allowing you to reach interested individuals with targeted promotions. 4. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube to promote your product or niche. Engage with your audience by sharing informative and entertaining content and responding to comments and messages. 5. Affiliate marketing. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities by partnering with companies that offer products or services related to your niche. Promote their products through your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for each sale generated through your referral. 6. Create digital products. Develop and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software related to your niche. Utilize platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to reach a broader audience. 7. Offer services. If you have specialized skills, offer services such as graphic design, content writing, social media management, or consulting to clients. Market your services through freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. 8. Paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising campaigns, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads, to reach a wider audience and promote your online presence or products. 9. Monitor analytics and adjust strategies. Regularly monitor your website and campaign analytics. Analyze the data to identify areas of improvement, adjust your marketing strategies, and optimize your content and promotions accordingly. 10. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with the latest trends and strategies in online marketing. Continuously educate yourself on new tools, techniques, and industry developments to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, success in online marketing takes time, effort, and consistent learning. Be patient, provide value to your audience, and adapt your strategies as needed. With dedication and persistence, you can generate income using your phone through online marketing.